In this video, I will show you how to give full permission to a folder and all its subfolders in Ubuntu using the terminal. Let's start by opening the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Now go to the folder where your directory is saved. For example, if your folder is on the desktop, type cd_desktop. Now we want to give full permission. This means anyone can read, write, or run the files in the folder. To do this, type replace folder name with the name of your actual folder. The R option means the command will apply to everything inside the folder too. 777 gives all permissions to the owner, the group, and everyone else. Now press Enter. You can also check the new permissions using this command, ls-l. That's all. You have now given full permission to the folder and all its contents. Thank you for watching this tutorial.